go to the beach, aren't we?
No, but that's potato.
This beach is actually where you can do the zip line.
He's shopping again. That's nice, huh? The sea is so clear.
Please, someone in the sea.
I think I actually prefer the other beach, to be honest with you.
Good morning. Is it morning? Yes. No. Good afternoon.
Alright, love.
So we're in our favourite place, brunch, and we're both getting a tuna sandwich, aren't we?
Yeah.
And a Thai tea. And a wine.
Yeah.
We're sitting outside with me because it's too busy inside. And I've got my new hat on. And then we're going to go to the beach, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. A beach tea. Hopefully it's nice though.
So we decided not to go on the tour this morning because I've got a mosquito bite in my leg and it's kind of infected, and I didn't want to be in the sea all day, possibly making it worse. I mean, it could make it better, could make it worse, I'm not too sure. I might be putting cream on it. We just been to the pharmacy to get some more, so maybe I could have went, but mosquito bites can be quite bad. You have to be careful with them, I think. So I'd rather not lose my leg or get malaria or like dengue fever or something like that. So that's potato. That's warm.
Just arrived at the beach. It's Vanilla Beach. You love it. And there's a McDonald's just there. A couple of shops and things. This beach is actually where you can do the zip line from like the mainland to like a little island. But we're not doing that. There's no, you have to just turn up and just go on when you get told, and you literally wait for hours. So I mean, we're going to see the view anyway, so.
He's shopping again. That's nicer.
What was that, please?
700. Thank you.
Tenner.
Yeah.
Oh, they've got a bucket hat now. It's like a woman's bucket hat, right? I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to strip off and I'm going to go swimming. I haven't swum here yet. I can't remember the last time I was in the sea in the Philippines. Bear in mind, that's one of the main reasons we came to the Philippines, to go in the sea. And we have an alcoholic beverage. Could I have a pistachio one, please?
Passion fruit for me, please. Cup, ma'am. Yes, please.
So this is $1.50 for one scoop and a cone, which is $7.14, like £2. A little expensive, but we're literally right on the beach in a posh area, so you presume it's going to be expensive. I got pistachio. Nice, have you paid?
Yeah.
Thank you. Right, ice cream demolished. We're here now. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is what I've been wanting. This is what I've been wanting. Anyway, let's meet more on the beach. Nice little bar here. Beach bar. Dog asleep on the sand. Oh, soft sand. Soft sand. Music is beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, like Vanilla Beach.
How nice is that?
Oh, I haven't even seen them over there. Oh. You got the drawer, eh? Nice one. This is a beach that I've been wanting. Like this I haven't had one of these yet. I swear that. Like you get a long beach with nice sand. I was it took us nearly the end of our holiday to get it. There's a tiny little bit of rock here. And then other than that, it's just soft sand. Oh, look at them hotels here, man. Oh wow. We're staying in the wrong places, though.
No.
This is what we want.
Yeah.
We're staying all the way, stay over there. We're staying in between them two mountains where they come in. Here, this one and this one. We're staying in between them. Oh, there's a zipline there, man.
Oh,
The sea is so clear. Like, unbelievably clear. I'm not going to go in for long because of the thing on my leg, but I am going to go in. Oh, these hotels here are beautiful, like. I want to stay in these hotels. Apparently there's jellyfish, but everyone else is in. So, fuck it. I hope I don't drop yous. We're literally just hanging on. Absolutely beautiful. Bloody beautiful. Quick thumbnail. Mummy on point. What is this? Is she coming? She's a comer. She's a comer. Well, that way we've been out of 4 months. So we're the peerless ones on this beach. Swim. Point. Probably I don't drop it.
look at me, swimming in the sea.
Is that good?
Yeah.
You think it?
Yeah.
Probably shit. Right, it's sunset time. This is what it's starting to look like. I've got a semi-got light. He's got a water. This is healthy. We've moved position because we were going to sit in this restaurant behind us, but it's very expensive. A bit too expensive. And so we've set back here, and I think we're in an even better spot now, to be honest with you. There's just loads of people where we were sitting before, dancing and that, like wearing mankinis. Strange behaviour. That's 100. I got it from the shop, just on this street over here. That's 100. I think that's like restaurant prices. Eve's water was 60. That's restaurant prices. I will set you up for a time lapse.
Hello. It's our last day in El Nido today, and we're at another beach. This one is called Nacpan Beach, and it's absolutely huge. There's a nice little 360 for you. So the beach is like all the way over here, loops all the way around, and goes all the way around there, and then loops all the way around there. They've got a volleyball net. They've got lounges and things which you can rent, and they've got massage places, and they've got, I think, only one restaurant, so we'll be popping in there for some dinner now because we haven't had any yet. And it is unfortunately cloudy today.
You want to go back?
But it's still a nice day, and it's not, actually it is quite hot actually, it's a bit like humid. But yeah, I'm gonna get some dinner now. There's Kylie over there.
I've got a coconut. Pot full as well. Get it.
That is a big one, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not very cool, like.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was the fastest we've ever been served ever.
Not a bad thing.
Veg noodles for 1 and chicken noodles for 2. These are my noodles. It took like 2 minutes for them to come out, but they're actually really nice. They taste like soup noodles.
Right, Scran demolished. We're gonna go see how much a sunbed's gonna cost us. I don't know. Are these your sunbeds? Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Are these the sunbeds?
Yeah, 500.
500 for one. For how?
400.
400.
Yeah, with towel.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay.
On the front it's 500.
Yeah,
500. How much is that?
£7-ish, maybe? £7?
These ones here?
Oh, the one's there.
Oh no, it's okay. We want this.
with towel.
Oh no, it's okay, man. Salamat. Right, I'm going to see. The beds were 500. These ones here. Don't know if they're the best ones or the worst ones or what, but 500 doesn't matter. This is the crack-a-lackin' dragon. Oh, the waves are big. Might be able to surf, you know what I mean? Because I'm a surfer boy now. I think I actually prefer the other beach, to be honest with you. I'm not a big fan of this beach so far. Well, it's huge. It's really nice, actually. But like, the other one was like crystal. Well, to be fair, this water is crystal clear as well. I don't know. I think I prefer the other beach. It was a bit nicer. Ah, weird. It got me. Look how clear that is, man. Lovely fucking choppy sunshine is bad. Oh, I forgot to do my dive. I'll do it now. Such a surfer now. Watch me surf this wave when it comes. When the big wave comes, I'm gonna surf it. A little bit. I'm gonna go for a swim. Anyway.
We are back from the beach. That beach was nice, but I do think the one yesterday was better. So, but still really nice. So I've been back to the room, I've got changed, and we are now. It's so loud, man. And we are now out and about. Right, we're on the street now, and the sun's just setting. And I don't know where this restaurant is, but it's called Basil. No, thank you.
Pwede sa make a farm.
How much are these? 400. Okay, no problem. 350. And on the way back, we go get some food and then we come back. How what size do you have?
This is where we're going. Basil, pizza and pasta. Take your shoes off.
Right, get some wings. I'll take that.
million out of 10. It's so good. This is what it's called if you're coming at El Nido. We're now going to get a dessert each. So Kyle's going to go for a crepe. And I'm going to go for a sorbet. Straight in there, freeze crepe. Nutella and banana crepe. Nutella and banana crepe.